Here's a 2015 Chrysler 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. And it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Garber Honda. We strive to be the best automotive sales and repair operation in every market we serve. Visit us today at 3925 West Henrietta Road in Rochester, New York.